Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the powerful Lysol Pro Kitchen Spray Cleaner and Degreaser. If you're tired of struggling to get rid of tough kitchen messes and lingering bacteria, then this is the product for you. First and foremost, Lysol Pro Kitchen Cleaner has been proven to eliminate 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, including Salmonella and E. coli. That's right, when used as directed, this spray is a powerhouse in disinfecting your kitchen surfaces and appliances. With the EPA Reg number 77791, you can trust that this product delivers on its promises. Not only does this spray target and destroy harmful bacteria, but it also effortlessly cuts through tough, baked-on grease. Say goodbye to scrubbing endlessly at stubborn messes because Lysol Pro Kitchen Cleaner does the hard work for you. And the best part? It leaves behind a refreshing citrus scent, so your kitchen smells as clean as it looks. You can use this versatile cleaner on a variety of surfaces, including countertops, tables, oven exteriors, high chairs, and kitchen appliances. Plus, there's no need to worry about harsh chemical residue. Simply spray, wipe, and enjoy the results. When it comes to disinfection, Lysol is a leader in the industry. If you've been impressed with the performance of their other products, such as Lysol disinfecting wipes and Lysol disinfectant sprays, then you'll love the superior cleaning power of Lysol Pro Kitchen Cleaner. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your hands on Lysol Pro Kitchen Spray Cleaner and Degreaser today and experience the peace of mind that comes with a sparkling clean and thoroughly disinfected kitchen. Don't settle for subpar cleaning products. Choose the best for your family and your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and cleaning tips.